Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the residential project that is VTP Earth 1, which is located in Mahalunge, Pune. But now before starting, आइए जानते हैं that what is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, पर हम हाउसी में आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट करते हैं बिल्डर्स के साथ। हाउसी में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं। फिर यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए एंड बुक योर ड्रीम होम डायरेक्टली विद बिल्डर्स ऑन हाउसी। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू, लोकेशन एंड कनेक्टिविटी, एमिनिटीज, parking, master plan and carpet area analysis, floor plan, unit plan, possession, the current construction update and even the pros and cons of the project. So now let's start with the project overview. So basically ये project total 8 acres का land parcel में develop होगा, जिसमें आपको total 7 towers मिलेंगे with each tower of ground plus 4 podium plus 35 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 4 BHK simplex and 4 BHK duplex premium residencies and have a note that 3 BHK in this project has been sold out. अब बात करेंगे लोकेशन की। सो ये प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड है ऑन नांदे बालेवाड़ी रोड इन महालुंगे, पुणे। और कनेक्टिविटी वाइज देखे सो ये जो रोड आप पीछे देख सकते हो दैट इज द मेन रोड ऑफ महालुंगे, और ये रोड आपको वन साइड हिंजवाड़ी एंड वन साइड बानेर से कनेक्ट करता है। एंड इन्फोसिस सर्कल यहाँ से आपको 3.6 किलोमीटर में मिलेगा, प्लस मुंबई बैंगलोर हाईवे 4 किलोमीटर्स अवे एंड डी मार्ट इज 4.9 kilometers from the project. So now let's discuss the amenities part. First one is internal amenities. इंटरनल एमिनिटीज में आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा वेट्रिफाइड फ्लोरिंग, ग्रेनाइट प्लेटफॉर्म किचन आपको मिलेगा, फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम, वीडियो डोर बेल मिलेगा, पावर बैकअप, डिजिटल डोर लॉक, डीजी बैकअप एंड मेनी मोर. Now coming to the most interesting, that is the external amenities. So VTP Realty आपको प्रोवाइड करता है 35 plus luxurious amenities including gymnasium, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, party lawn and many more. Now let's discuss the parking area. In this project आपको मिलेगा podium level की car parking area. Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the typical master plan of VTP Earth 1. As you can see in this image, VTP Earth 1 consists of 7 towers with each tower of ground plus 4 level podium plus 35 floors. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plans. Here you can see in this image, this is the typical floor plan of Tower 1, having 8 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 4 flats of 2 BHK and 4 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here you can see in this image, this is the typical floor plan of Tower 2, having 8 flats, 4 lifts, 2 staircases per floor with 6 flats of 2 BHK and 2 flats of 3 BHK residencies. Here you can see in this image, this is a typical floor plan of Tower 7, having 6 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases per floor with 4 flats of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 2 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 776 square feet and 810 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, that is 861 square feet and 727 square feet. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, that is 736 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 1766 square feet. This is the unit plan of 4 BHK simplex, 1534 square feet and 1540 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK duplex, that is 1346 square feet and 1722 square feet carpet area. Now अभी हम बात करेंगे the position of the project. As per the target position, VTP Realty आपको ये हैंड ओवर करेगा, दैट इज डिलीवर करेगा इन जून 2026 एंड रेरा पोजीशन के हिसाब से आपको ये प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवर होगा बाय दिसंबर 2027. एंड नाउ बात करेंगे आपके इंटरेस्ट की, दैट इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट, द करंट कंस्ट्रक्शन अपडेट. सो टावर 4, 5 and Tower 7 इनका 30% वर्क हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड and the remaining tower, that is Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3 and Tower 6, inka 40% work has been completed. So now the most interesting part, that is the pros and cons of the project. So first let's discuss the pros of the project. So in this project you will be getting the lots of space. So as only 7 towers are been constructed in total 8 acres of land parcel. So ये project आपको low density के हिसाब से मिलेगा and यहाँ पे आप easily roam around कर सकते हो. And secondly, if you're going for the amenities, as यहाँ पे आपको 35 plus luxurious amenities मिलने वाले हैं and amenities are your preference, then this project suits you perfectly. Additionally, all the apartments are Vastu compliant flats. So if you are the firm believer in Vastu, then this project suits you perfectly. And now the awaited part, that is the cons part. Towers are placed in such a way that they are facing each other, blocking the view of the garden and impacting in your privacy, resulting in less sunlight and ventilation. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project VTP Earth 1, which is located in Mahalunge, Pune, a project developed by VTP Realty.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.